saw this massive roof lift off. On my YouTube and Facebook on there. I was just about to take shelter on this thing, and this shows you the dangers of these giant roofs getting lofted. It only takes about an 80-90 mile an hour wind out here, and then it crashed into this power pole here. Looks like the power is out in Homa, and a lot worse is here to come. A lot worse is on its way as the inner eye wall is about to arrive here in Homa.
Oh my God! Yo, yo! Oh my God! Yo, yo!
I'm live here in Homa, Louisiana, as the eye wall is starting to approach here. Right now, the inner eye wall, is probably about 20 miles off to the east, about an hour or two away. But we have had winds ramp up. Just heard a power line explosion here up a little bit to the north. Northerly winds streaming in here. These winds are only going to continue ramping up as well. And this is a dangerous area here. This is a gauntlet. All of these power lines, power poles are going to be coming down big time, rapidly here. I just saw a big pop, a mixing down of those big time winds aloft. Debris sort of flying through the air, off to the east a little bit. It is pretty gusty in here. You got to be careful. Occasional sheet metal spinning around. About another hour or two, and that's when those big winds are going to arrive. Gusting over 100, and then 150, and then even stronger than that. And you got power lines here that are making crazy noise. In Homa, as the eye is wobbling to the west. Down a little bit. Definitely ramping up. Here in Homa, big winds out of the north over there. Trees were getting shredded a bit earlier, but still about an hour away from serious dangerous conditions out here. Those winds gusting 150, even greater. The last update, National Hurricane Center has 150 mile per hour maximum sustained winds, unchanged so far. Conditions are going to deteriorate rapidly. Likely going to be one of the last updates I'm able to get out before things really deteriorate out here. Stay safe and hunker down, everybody. If you happen to stay behind.
On 2 boats.